I can't believe it's here, but intensive next week, all day. We're going to be getting after it. If you haven't heard about it, go check your emails from us. There's all kinds of info on it. Speaking of laying on my couch, I got a couch here, behind me to my right. It's going to be pretty much like you're on my couch. That's kind of what the intensive is it's an inside look at my morning, right? Instead of just getting the finished product of the DMI, we're going to be on together, and I'm going to be thinking out loud as I prepare my DMI. From there, we're going to trade for a couple hours. You're going to get to see me interact with the market and trade based on that prep, right? Maybe a few scalps, here and there. And again, get inside my head and see how I'm making decisions, my psychology, decision making, all that. It's going to be pretty cool. So what are we doing? We're prepping together. We are trading together. Then we're going to do like an afternoon roundup. Maybe we'll update on some positions that we were holding from our morning session, some things we did in between. Then we're going to do a Q&A. So whatever questions you guys have, whether it's from something that happened that day or just general, NADRO stuff, whatever, we're there to talk about it. And then, kind of a recap at the end of each day, getting more of a look inside kind of my review, what happened that day, just in much more detail than, let's say, the normal, DMI type issue that we put out. So it's going to be just like pulling up a chair and trading with me pretty much. So it's going to be pretty sweet. A lot of lessons will be learned as I myself, just another student of the market, go through and trade this methodology that I teach people to trade day in and day out. So I think a lot of you are going to be there. So it's going to be a lot of fun. And that's something I talk about a lot. Have fun trading, right? We're going to have some fun next week. So I hope you'll join us.